Here we have a 2020 Mercedes-AMG A35 4MATIC Premium. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch twin-spoke alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the silver AMG brake calipers just behind, Cosmos black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille, the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Round to the passenger side you'll find the chrome door handles, we have the colour-coded door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the rear spoiler just here, sitting nice and flush with the rest of the body. Front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera, dual exit exhaust and the rear diffuser. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so in the back first you find the full leather interior. We have the grey stitching, foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO points just down there. The vents for the rear passengers along with the storage nets behind the front seats as well. We have the electric windows. Coming into the front you find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. On the doors, as you can see, they are also heated. We have the electric windows with a trailer for the rear, electric mirrors as well. Just there you'll find the auto lights. We also have a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button just there, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we can control this digital dashboard using this side of the steering wheel. So if we press home you'll find all of these options just here to go through. So if we go to the trip, you can see how many miles we've done. We've also got the miles per hour. You can swipe to the right and you can change all of these dials just like so as well. You can do it the same on the left hand side as well. We also have the sat nav, so we can get the navigation just there as well. As you can see, you can have half a screen, or if we go down once more you get a full screen just like that, as you can see. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre console just there. Again, we have the sat nav on here. We also have the radio as well, which is where you find the FM, DAB and AM radio. We have a range of media such as the Bluetooth and the USB, the phone connectivity as well. If you go into the home you find these options that we've just been through. If you go into the comfort, this is where you find the ambient lighting. As you can see, there's quite a few colours to choose from. Also, if we go to the performance just here, this is where you can adjust the individual drive mode. So you can see you've got a few options to change through just there. We also have the, if we go back, the information on the vehicle and along with the engine and the consumption as well just there. We also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just here. If you go into the settings, this is where you find the assistance, making it a very safe car to drive. Putting it into reverse, this is where you find the reversing camera just there. As you can see, we've got a couple options to choose from along with the parking assist as well just there. Putting it back into park, further down you find the vents. You may be able to see the ambient lighting just inside of there. Climate control with the ice cold air conditioning all works just as it should do. Some storage space inside of here with the wireless charging. We also have a Type-C USB port and two good sized cup holders that can be closed off just like so. Nice touchpad just here for the infotainment screen. We also have the drive mode buttons just here, so we have all of these drive modes such as the slippery, individual, we have comfort, sport and sport plus as well. And then all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen as well. So for example, if we press onto the navigation, then the sat nav will come up just like so. We have the nice leather armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. And inside of there you find two more Type-C USB ports. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.